Students and good morning parents. Today we'll learn how to attend online examination through Google Meet and how we can download the question paper from our school app and the same place how we can upload the answer script. Then first of all we need to download your school app and we have to log in over there. And Google Meet, you should add your email ID, whatever email ID has provided from school. Now, first you have to open school app. I'm opening that one only. After opening the school app, you can see the option assignment. After the timetable, see assignment option is here. There you have to click, and you can see this is the study materials like this only you are getting here. No, then the exam day, that timing already given. No, exam timing before timing the exam starting time before 10 minutes the question paper will be uploaded here, and that names also will show here, and there you have to click. I am just clicking. This is a demo only on the any one study materials. I am clicking and I am showing you how to do it. Now you can see one link also is came here like this on the exam day. Also your question paper will be uploaded here and link also will be provided here. Now on the link you have to click and you can download it from the school app. When you will click over there, automatically it will download and you can see also. For the 5 minutes or 10 minutes you have to read the question paper nicely. See, like this only the question paper also will be visible here. From here you can download it and you can read it. After reading this one, you have to come back and you have to minimize this page or you have to close this page. I am minimizing this page. Now I am going to Google Meet. And the Google Meet, my email ID already added here. Whatever school has provided me, that one. Now see, like this way, classes are showing here. No, instead of the class on the exam day, will show here that exam name, and there only you have to click. So like this way you have to click. Suppose your exam timing, before the timing you will get the notification one exam has created for you. After opening the Google Meet you will get the all the exams list over here, and the particular day wise and time wise you have to click. After clicking here you can see like this page will open, and you have to join. The joining time, meeting starting time and meeting end time already has provided to you, that you have to follow. Now after joining here you have to attend the online exam like you are attending your classes. No, in the same way you have to attend the meeting. Teacher will share you the question paper on the screen. By seeing the question paper you can write the exam, and after finishing the exam, time already provided to you what time it will finish. After finishing the exam you have to you have to leave the meeting and you have to come out from here. After coming out again you have to go to the school app. I have already minimized this one. No, that is only by one single touch only I get back this one. Now see, if you from beginning you are opening, that also no problem. Then from beginning onwards you have to go through the options. Assignment, that exam I have selected this one only. On the exam, which exam, that particular on the exam name only you have to click. Don't click here and there. Okay, on the particular exam has exam will be there, that exam name will be mentioned, there only you have to click. Then you have to click on attend. After attending you have to type the title here. Title you say you have to write your name. Suppose this is a Ujan account only, I am writing here Ujan's name, Ujan Roy, and you have to write the admission number. I mean your user ID. Same. 29 is Ujan's ID, user ID. Now in the content you have to type, this is the physics exam. Then here I am writing physics. Then like this way you have to see the which exam will be there, and same way you have to write the exam name, and then you have to click on add file. And this add file you have to keep the ready. Suppose you are writing the exam on a A4 sheet paper, that after writing on the A4 sheet paper, that paper you have to scan and you have to make the PDF file. After making the PDF file, that file only you have to add here. That already I have uploaded another video in my channel. From there only you will get the help how to make a PDF file, that also you can see. And after making the PDF file, you have to come here, and by clicking over add file, you have to go to your particular that phone memory place where you have kept the file. That you have to select my file I have kept inside the download option. Now see this, suppose this is my scanned PDF file I have created, that exam papers PDF file. All the sheets I have made one PDF file. That file is here. I am choosing the file and clicking on the done, and see that file already showing here. It's mean now this exam script, answer script, ready to send. Now after clicking on the submit, I am just submitting this one. Clicking on submit, see already see submitted answers. Like this only will come. It's mean your answer script successfully sent to the subject teacher or that invigilator or the school. I hope so everybody understood the process how to do the things. Thank you. Have a nice day.